Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials: your network name, security type, and the exact password case matters. Once you have those, open a QR code generator that supports Wi-Fi payloads. Many mobile apps or web tools do. Start a new Wi-Fi QR project, choose the correct encryption, WPA2 most common, and enter SSID and password. Make sure to select hidden only if your network is hidden. This gets you straight into creating the usable QR. Do it carefully so devices can join automatically. Now create and validate the code. Choose the Wi-Fi payload option, type the SSID exactly, pick the security protocol, and paste the password. Once generated, save a high-resolution PNG or SVG and preview it on screen. Low contrast or small size breaks scanning. Next, scan with an Android phone and an iPhone. Android usually connects immediately. iOS shows a join prompt. If both join, you're good. If not, edit the QR and regenerate, because one typo can prevent automatic connection. Finish by deploying the QR for users. Print it large, place where guests can scan easily, and include the network name nearby for clarity. If a device won't connect, first recheck SSID, password, and encryption in the generator. That's the most common error. Also test the QR at different sizes and lighting. Reflections cause failures. As a last resort, restart the router and recreate the QR code. This resolves most problems. If still stuck, temporarily share the password manually while you debug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.